Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you if there are earbuds inside of the box of Google Pixel 9 Pro XL. Here is the Google Pixel 9 Pro XL box, and I'm gonna slide it out of this cover first. Then lift the top lid and let's see if there are earbuds inside. Here is the phone. Here is the USB-C to USB-C cable. And here is an accessory booklet, a SIM card tray opener, and a quick start guide and a safety guide in different languages. And there's no earbuds. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.